Hello, girlies, and welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, hello, girl, welcome. My name is Amber Renee. I am a content creator, non-survivor. I'm a toddler mommy. I'm a photographer. I love fashion, girl. I do it all. I do it all. But today we are going to be going to Great Wolf Lodge in Gurnee, Illinois. So I thought that I would take you all along. It's my cousin's birthday, my little cousin's birthday, and so we're just going to have a good time. I have never been to Great Wolf Lodge. But I hear it's pretty cool. It has a lot of things to offer. There's a water park, there's an arcade, there's a lot of stuff for kids. So I'm truly excited. So let's go and see what Great Wolf Lodge has to offer. Alright, we just got to the room, and to be honest, the room is not that bad. We are on the lower level. It is big in here. They give you wristbands so that you can check into your room and for parking and stuff, which is really cool because you don't have to use a key. So I'm gonna show you all I'm talking to the girlies. I'll show you all the room for a water park place. It's actually kind of cute in here. There seems to be a lot of people here this weekend, so yeah, that's a thing. If you guys didn't know, I'm here with my mom, my grandma, my baby girl, and we're here for my little cousin's birthday. I think I told y'all that. I don't remember. But yeah, so let me show you all the room, and then we are going to probably put on bathing suits because baby girl wants to go get in the water. I hate water parks. I think they are disgusting. So I am not a fan of water parks at all. So we're probably gonna do the water for about an hour, then get something to eat and come and just chill out. There's an arcade room. They do different presentations. There's a Build-A-Bear here, all of that. So I'll show y'all that when I go back to the front, but right now let me show you all the cute little room. Good morning, girlies. I feel like I didn't really vlog that much last night. I was really in the moment. I hope I got some good clips that I showed y'all. But this is the end of our adventure. We are about to check out, and there is a like outlet mall around here, which y'all know if I am close to the outlet mall, we have to go. So we are gonna go grab some food and then go to the outlet mall. So I'll take you guys along. I feel like this vlog is not really a vlog, or it's going to be very short because I really didn't get any footage last night. But we're gonna go check out. It was a really fun experience. Definitely probably will stay 2 nights next time instead of just one, because when you stay one it just feels very rushed a little bit. So next time we come, we'll probably do 2 nights, and I will probably like do one of the packages. So I didn't know they had packages, but they have this package for like 50 bucks, and they said it's like good for toddlers because they have a Build-A-Bear in here. So you get like a Build-A-Bear bear, a game card, like ice cream and candy or something, and I feel like that's worth it. So we know for next time, but definitely a fun place for the weekend to kind of just chill out. Room wasn't too bad. I will say like guest services it's kind of slow. We needed an iron in our room and it took them like forever to bring it, but also probably a lot of people here. So yeah, y'all, I'm out of breath. I just had to walk up a hill. That was a lot. But we are gonna go check out. Oh, let me tell you about the food. Food was really good. They have a restaurant called Barnwood that my family ate at, but I ate at another restaurant and it was so good. So we're about to check out, and I will see y'all later. Bye. Lego store. I have wanted like the flower Lego set for so long, and they have like the mini one for $14.99. I don't know if I should get it or if I want the big one, but this Lego store is epic. It's so many Legos, and they have look like a Lego wall. Look at this. It's like you pick and build. It's like a pick and build Lego wall, which is so cool. I feel like Legos are definitely coming back in. Us millennials love Legos, and I feel like they're now building Lego sets for us. Like, so cool. I'm gonna show you out the flower one. It's $14.99, but I know they have a bigger one that I wanted, but I don't see it here. But let me show y'all the flower one. Okay, I found the big one. I think I want this one, but all the orchards are cute too. I like this one, like with the plants. They have so many, but I think I'm either gonna get this one, not today, or the orchard one, or like the tiny plants one. That's cute. And look, they have a little setup. Super cute. Can't wait to buy them and put them together.